Hey, let me show you the best features of the Jabra Elite 8 Active. And first, we are going to start from this mobile application, Jabra Sound class. As you can see in this device, we can actually find the ambient mode and the active noise cancellation. So we can switch between the sound modes just right here. And when you are on the hear through, you can even adjust this level of this function. Next, we can also find the spatial audio for media sounds, and we can quickly turn it on and off by tapping on this switcher. We can also find the music equalizer with the 6 default presets. So when you change it, you can actually find this information on the graphic equalizer. But also, when you try moving it manually, you can also create your own preset. So when you tap on the plus, from this you can actually save this preset by clicking here, give it custom name, and click save. And now it will appear just right here. For sure, you can delete equalizer presets. I mean this one that you actually create. Next, we are going into the settings. So we have to go right here in the right upper corner, and we've got also option to update firmware. So this is really useful because sometimes they are actually giving us the new features or fixing some issue, but you know, some headphones doesn't actually have this function. Like for example, here I've got the Creatives and Hybrid, and this headphones doesn't actually have this function. So you got them straight out of the box, but you will don't receive any updates in the future. So this is actually really good, and I have to mention about this function. Next, we can find some headset settings. In the audio experience, you can actually find this function when hear through is turned on. You can continue playing audio or simply mute audio. So it's useful when you, for example, want to hear something like what is going on around you. So we can actually quickly get this. But for sure, we can also find other options. In the call experience, we can actually find the sign tone. So this is actually a function that allows you to hear your own voice on the calls. And you can adjust the volume of the sign tone by moving the slider to the left or to the right side. Next, when you go in the general, there's like nothing interesting, honestly. When you go into the personalize your headset option, we can actually find all of the controls. So in the music and the media, for the right and the left one, we can find the single press, double press, and the triple press. So you can for sure customize these controls by clicking and selecting any other from this list. Also, we can block all of these controls by selecting no option. Just like this. Then we can find the incoming calls settings. So we can actually answer the call, reject call, and on the triple tap, we can, for example, mute or quickly unmute the microphone. On the active calls, we can mute and unmute active call and call. On the left one, it's actually the same, and on the triple, we can, for example, adjust the side tone. When you go back from this one, we can also change language of the voice guidance, but we've got only 6 languages. And we can also turn on and off the wind noise reduction by selecting this function with this switcher. And from this we get also option to quickly play the Spotify music. So when we turn it on and download the Spotify on our phone, we can double press the left earbud to get Spotify playing right away. And this is it actually for this video. For me, this is actually the best options that you can actually use on the Jabra Elite 8 Active. And right now, please subscribe to my channel.